Good? Are you in? 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 Okay, let's do it. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Griffin. This is Griffin Projects, and welcome to the shop. That's right. We're here. We're ready to do some work. I'm gonna have to put on shorts first, though. I just hate working in jeans in the wood shop. I don't know. It's like a weird thing for me. I don't know. Anyway, today I really didn't feel like doing anything. It's felt like a Sunday all day. I've just been like, you know what? It's Sunday. I don't feel like doing anything. And I don't even know if it's Sunday. That's the thing. It's like, I have no idea, but that's what it feels like. And I mean, really, do days really matter anymore anyways? Now I really want to check and see if it's Sunday. Hold on. It is not. It is not Sunday. Oh my Lord. It really did feel like one to me though. We're at the shop, so what are we gonna do while we're here? We're gonna work on this bad boy. This is the kitchen cabinet that designed during VLOGMAS. It's something I wanted done in VLOGMAS, but unfortunately that did not happen. That's a long story. Life happened instead. So what we're gonna do with this is we're going to measure from like here to here, mark it out, domino some mortises in there, and then also put another panel right there. And then hopefully, with any luck, we're gonna glue it up today. That would be freaking awesome. So let's go ahead and get into some shorts and get this thing rocking and rolling.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I looked at this model that I have on my phone. Hopefully it will focus. There we go. It's missing the dimensions for where they're supposed to come in. So you know what I did? I looked at VLOGMAS episode number 2, where I actually designed it in SketchUp, and luckily I mentioned the actual sizes because I don't have my laptop here today. So it's going to be 13 inches from the right side and 11 inches from the left side. That makes it pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is cut down some like actual scrap pieces to the 13 inches and then another one to 11 inches, and then that will help me with setting this all up. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so what I want to do is show you kind of how I have it set up here. So this piece we just cut and it's 13 inches. So went ahead and put that clamp there. Now you see the partition there. We're going to take the partition out. We're going to put just a straight piece right there instead, clamp that down, then draw a line. From there, we will use the domino. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now we're gonna do the exact same thing except for on the bottom.
A few inches later.
Change of plans. What I'm gonna do is actually the 11-inch divider, do all the spacing and stuff on the opposite side before I flip it over and do it to the other side. Yeah, I'm glad I caught that before yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, now what we're gonna do is flip it upside down and do that. All right, here we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is put the mortises in the actual divider, and then we'll put it all together. How's that sound? Good? Good? Are you in? 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 Okay, let's do it. What I think we're gonna do now is I noticed that one of the panels was probably like literally a 1/16 of an inch off. It is what it is. So we're gonna need to recut that panel off of this other one, which is fine. We'll use that for the top. Everything will be fine, just a little bit of added work. But before we get to that point, I think I'm gonna put the partition in just because I can't wait to see it in. So yeah, let's do that. That looks friggin' awesome. Everything looks really, really square, which is fantastic. Definitely gonna need to get some like right angle like holds for the glue down because it's kind of rickety and I don't have any parallel clamps that are long enough for this thing. We're gonna need to just make sure that it stays square during the glue up. What we're gonna do now is cut the next partition, hopefully the right size this time. All right, let's do it. Here we go, the panel's cut, everything's looking good. Let's go ahead and put it in. Cross your fingers. All right, here we go. It looks absolutely awesome. Definitely want to get some extra squares for the glue up, so not gonna glue it up today. I'm gonna go ahead and order some of those. And then, yeah, it'll be ready for a glue up. We're like, probably have just a little bit left time here before I have to go home, eat, and like start editing. So, let me think of something to do. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Well, there you have her. It looks really, really good. I mean, it's really, really basic, but that's really all I need to kind of clean up that area in my apartment. So I'm very, very happy about that. I was thinking about doing some more work, but you know what? I really want to post this video today. So in order to do that, I'm going to call it a day here at the shop, and I'm going to go home and I'm going to edit the video and post it. But one thing that I am going to do as well tonight, hold on, I'm going to look for more of these. These are like nice little right angle like braces that really help out with glue ups, especially with something this big. I think it'll be really, really nice to have a few more of them. I only have 2. I'm gonna order like maybe like 4 more, maybe, yeah, 4 more. I think that should be plenty. That's what I'm gonna do. So if you like this video, make sure that you like it down below. That of course helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or just wanna say hi, make sure you do that down below in the comment section. If you wanna join me for the adventure of 2021, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and that's pretty much it, and I will see you tomorrow.